Hey everyone, James Patrick here, founder of Slam Academy. I'm excited to share something that's going to make your learning experience with us smoother, faster, and more inspiring than ever. After a lot of feedback, testing, and planning behind the scenes, we are officially moving all of our coursework and student communities to our brand new learning environment. This new platform is built to give you more control, more flexibility, and way fewer headaches. It's faster, easier to navigate, and works better on mobile, so you can keep learning and creating music no matter where you are. We've upgraded everything: course materials, assignments, progress indicators, and community tools to make sure that your learning experience is as smooth and inspiring as ever. If you're a current student, don't worry, you'll still have access to all of your previous course materials. But if you're new to us and you're just hopping in, congratulations, you are showing up at the perfect time. Slam Academy has always been about meeting you where you're at and giving you the tools to make the music you love. This transition is just one more way that we are making good on that promise. We've put together some simple steps for you to follow to log in, get set up, and keep making progress. Steps for that are right below this video. If you have any questions or need support, don't hesitate to reach out. Our team is here for you and we will walk you through it step by step. So thanks for being a part of the Slam Academy community. We are stoked about this transition and cannot wait to hear what you will create. See you in class.